welcome back. So today I have a quick little haul. Actually, it might not be too quick. I went to about 3 different stores. I did Bath and Body Works, Home Goods, Victoria's Secret, and I did stop into Burlington Coat Factory. And I'm just going to share with you what I picked up from those couple stores. So yeah, I'm going to get right into it. What I'm going to start off with is Victoria's Secret. Here is my little bag. As you guys know, right now they're doing their semi-annual sale and they have some really good deals right now. A couple of their water bottles. I really do love these collegiate water bottles, and so I picked up 2 of these. I really love this one. It's the pink one and it has just the pink symbol on it, and I had a coupon and was able to get both of these for $9 each. Usually these are $20 a piece. So yeah, this is what this one looks like. And I picked up another one. And I really like these because they are so large and you can fit a whole bunch of water in here and just, you know, be good. Velvet petals, and this was on sale at the time for $4 and I think $4.99. So I like this one, and I was almost out of the one that I had hauled earlier, so I picked up a new one. So next I stopped into BBW, and here are my bags. Whoa, you guys know I had already been there, so I really didn't need to get anything else, but I couldn't resist the sale and went back in. This is the Spiced Pumpkin Cider. This was from the fall. Oh yeah, I wanted to pick up this Coco Shea Ultra Conditioning Bath and Shower Jelly. I just thought this would be a really cool thing to try. As you can see, it is a jelly, so I'm curious to see how this works. A lot of people rave about these and think they are the bomb, so I wanted to try one for myself. Okay, the next thing I picked up was this Marshmallow Pumpkin Cider with body butter, and it just looks like this. This scent is one that they bring out every fall, so I have tried this before and do like it. And then I wanted to try this Cocoa Body Scrub, and this is in Pumpkin Cupcake. This smells really good. I have never tried this before, even this scent before, and I really like it. If you can see what it looks like, it's just a brown scrub. I'm really loving my scrubs right now, so I picked up a bunch of them and stocked up over this semi-annual sale. And then I picked up one more of this Salted Caramel Apricot, and this again is one of my favorite scents, so I got 2 of those. Then I picked up a couple of their gift sets. This one is the Bright, and the packaging looks like this. I feel like these will be good for Christmas gifts for next year. The inside of them are these products here. And again, I'm not going to open these because these are going to be Christmas gifts for someone for next year. But these are super cute, and I really love the packaging on them. So I got those. And then I got one more, and this one is going to be for me. Looks like this. And these were 70% off, or I think they were like $6 when I bought them. So, and this is the Lightest Air Body Oil, and this scent is in Electric Blue Sky, and it just looks like this. And here's the body cream right here, so it just looks like this. And to get me to my $40 total, I picked up the leather, which I was looking for. I'm so happy that I found these. I saw Joanna on Instagram hauling this one, and I just had to find it for myself. So I also picked up the Bacon Pineapple Colada, and it's just this one. I really love to have these. If you guys have kids, these are super easy to just like squirt on their little hands when you're out somewhere and you need a quick cleanup. So I really like to have 1 or 2 of these on hand. And so that's all that I picked up from Bath and Body Works this time. All of that stuff was only $30. And so the next place that I went was Home Goods. So let me just show you what I picked up from Home Goods. And so I actually went there earlier this morning, and I wanted to pick up a couple things for entertaining, so that's what I did. I picked up a couple of nice white plates and some serving dishes because I just noticed that I really didn't have too many really nice serving dishes in case I did have a party, which I usually do entertain at my home a couple times out of the year. So I picked up things that are uniform platters. I picked up 2 of these, and these are just some really cute serving platters. So I got 2 of these. And then, let's see. Okay, so that's my second one. Oh, if I didn't tell you, these were, let me see the price on here. These were $5.99. And then guys, I got 2 of these round ones, and they just look like this. And I didn't get them too big. They had some really big ones there too, but for right now I just decided to go with the smaller ones. These were $6.99, and I got 2 of these, as I said. And so, and I can use those also for our family. I don't have to wait for entertaining. But they did have some really big platters, and I'll probably go and get a couple of those too later on. And then, what else did I get? What else did I get? Okay, home goods again. Oh, okay. So these, I had to have these. Let me pull these out. Okay, so these are these huge bowls, and these are, I feel like they're just gorgeous. Now, so huge that you could probably fit a monster size salad and a monster size spaghetti or whatever you're trying to put in here. But these were only $12.99. Can you believe that? I picked up 2 of these. I really loved how the shape is. If you can see, it's kind of larger, taller on this side than on this side, and I just felt like these would be so cute for entertaining, and especially to have 2 of them. It would even look cute if you had 3 of them, if you had 3 big huge dishes to serve, but I just only picked 2 up. So they look, these are the 2. Oh, these are heavy too, and for $12.99 you can't beat that. So, and again, I didn't have anything like this in my collection, so I went ahead and picked those 2 up. And you can never go wrong with white, because white goes with any theme that you're doing for any party, and it just makes it. So the next thing I picked up was this marble platter here, and it just looks like this. And it has the dome over top, so you can cover up whatever food products you have on top of here. So I thought that was cute. It says that this is genuine marble, which I really love. I love that detail. And I'll probably use this for cheese and crackers or something like that, because I love how it has a little board there, and you can probably like set out your little knife or whatever, your spreading knife or whatever you have on the little board here. So I thought this was really cute. And this was $24.99 at Home Goods. Okay, so I think these are my mugs. Yes, they are. So I picked up a couple of their mugs, and I just thought this was cute. This is one of those Ray Dunn mugs, and this one just says meow on it. Has a cute little cat, and you guys, well, most of you guys know I do have a kitty at home, so I picked this up because I am a cat mommy right now. I do love dogs equally as much, if not more, but right now we have a cat. And also, speaking of my cat, I picked up him a couple of plates. I actually love these plates, the Ray Dunn plates. And if you feed your cat wet food, this is so easy to just put, or anyways, for my cat, he's a messy eater, so I just put his food right on top of here, and it's easier to clean up. He's able to eat it a little bit better than if he was eating out of a bowl, because it kind of sticks to the sides, and I don't like that. So this was $6.99, and then this one right here, it just says Gulp on it, and this one was $4.99. So yeah, I thought these were cute. Alright guys, so the next couple things that I picked up were from Burlington Coat Factory. So I just picked up a mug from there. And you guys are probably like, why are you picking up all these mugs? But I have started drinking my teas in the morning again, and then at night. So I wanted to get myself a couple of nice mugs, because it actually makes me want to drink them a little bit more. So yeah, that's part of my new healthy lifestyle thing that I'm doing. So I picked up this cute one, and it's in the hearts that are for the Valentine's season. So I really thought that was cute. And then I got this one here, and now this one is going to be for decoration. This one says Blogging Day. So I think this is going to be for decoration. I feel like this would be cute in my office. And this is from the Christmas tree store. So I went in the Christmas tree store to pick up my table covers, because you guys know I like to pick up my table covers from the Christmas tree store, but they didn't have them out yet. So I wound up buying a couple other things from them. And one of the things was this mug here. It just says keep calm and carry on shopping. This is so me because shopping relaxes me like no other. I don't even have to buy very much. I just need to be out in the store and looking around at all the things and trying to find cute things, and it's just like, yes, if you having a bad day, all I gotta do is buy something like this. This was like, what, $2 or something? Yeah, $1.99 and I'm good. So I picked that up. And then the Christmas tree store also had these on clearance, and they're just this driftwood, and if you can see it, it was 59 cents, and I thought this would be cute for a vase filler to like fill in some of those some of my apothecary jars. So I picked this up, and I got about 4 of these. I should have probably picked up a couple more, but I just picked those. And guys, 4 that is all that I picked up this time around. I hope you guys have enjoyed this haul. If you have, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.